My name is Brandy Anaya Diaz from the Cost and Budget Analysis Program on ATN. Today I'll be completing option 1 of week 6 based on an article from the Science Jurate database focused on the keywords risks, financial statistical model engineer. At the end, I will summarize Great learning in Spanish. I will start my presentation. Abstract machine learner or statistical learner is a concept belonging to the field of computer science that refers to the ability of machines to build mathematical models with high predicted efficiency from large data packages through a series of tools based on statistics, algorithms, and recursion aimed to improve them as new information is incorporated. Although in the field the breadth, there are already various projects mainly oriented to the interpretation of images in both radiology and pathology. The systematic use of these technologies as a source of acquiring new knowledge is still sectional, particularly with regard to clinical therapeutic decision making. All the specialists involved in the field of breast disorders are obliged to familiarize ourselves with this methodology in order to properly direct it away from its use for profits, especially when the successes achieved in other social spheres allows to intuit there is implementation in medicine can not only be useful but unavoidable. Section snippets. A bit of history. In 1936, British mathematician Alan Turing developed a theoretical concept, the Turing machine, the basis of the concepts of algorithms and computation, a precursor to modern computer and science one. The almost immediate consequence of this was the construction of the first computer in the 1928, named the C1 by German engineer Konrad Zuse. This new science achieved his notable success thanks to Turing himself, who, with the help of a huge contraction known as the bomb. What is ML? Machine learning, statistical learning, is a concept within the field of computer and science and artificial intelligence. It refers to the ability of machines to learn autonomously from large amounts of data using a series of tools based on statistics and recursion. They allow them to classify, detect patterns, and build prediction models. Learning is understood as the attitude for present and future of NL in technology. NL is already a reality in some areas of technology, Several projects are working on image interpretation for breast cancer detection 15, 16, as well as on pathological diagnosis, with the CPAP project being a notable example. Special mentions should be made of the Sage Bayonet World Dream projects, which is more specifically focused on prognosis for age teen. However, there are still few initiatives aimed at acquiring knowledge through this new methodology, especially in the field. Bueno, acá mi resumen según lo que entendí. Este concepto en sí pertenece a la ciencia de la computación, a este ámbito, y se refiere mayormente a la capacidad de las máquinas para construir modelos matemáticos de alta eficiencia. A partir de estos grandes paquetes de datos por medio de una serie de herramientas basadas en la estadística, algorítmica y la recursividad. En este artículo también se menciona que ya en varias áreas de la tecnología, el ML es una realidad en sí, ya que diversos proyectos pueden hacer ese tipo de interpretaciones a partir de imágenes para la detección del cáncer de mama. En el artículo también mencionan esta fuente como una tecnología de adquisición de nuevos conocimientos. Y ese fue todo mi trabajo, espero haber sido bastante clara, que se me haya entendido un poco. Muchas gracias por su tiempo y por el tiempo de escucha. Hasta luego, gracias.